What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something special. This is a 1-to-1 scale model of the Kar-98K. That's a German and Russian gun, I think mostly German, from World War II, and it's obviously not the real thing, but we got it in airsoft. It's real wood, real metal, freaking heavy, and wait for it, shell ejecting. So these are the real size shells. They shoot 6mm biodegradable airsoft BBs. And this won't be a review of sorts, not a power test. It's more a review. It's not very accurate, not very fast, only around 400 to 350 feet per second I've found. Not the most accurate gun in the world, but we're going to be comparing it with the 880. The famed Daisy 880. Let's get right to it. Our targets today are a can of Fritos mild cheddar that we had for Thanksgiving last night. Happy Thanksgiving. And we have a Shatterblast Daisy small little target that with this rifle will be a little difficult to hit. It's not that far away, but I had a grouping of around 8 inches aimed at the exact same spot, so it might take a little while. And then in this bag here we have baking soda. I like the idea of baking soda a lot more than the actual baking soda. If you want to try it out for yourself, go for it. There it is. Feel free to sponsor us. But yeah, I personally was not a big fan. We now have 4 of them left. I have 2 of them here with me. One of them's in the bag just to contain any glass or liquids that might shatter. I'm not sure if it will or not. I have faith that the 880 can do it, but this should make for some good footage. First up, we have the Kar-98K against the can of Fritos. It's empty. Sorry about that. If I had thought ahead, I would have gotten a full one. I don't think any of those hit. No, the Fritos can looks untouched. This might take a few more shots. Anyway, let's get right back to it. I actually remembered eye protection this time. Sadly, due to more bad planning on my part than anything else, the other GoPro ran out of card space on it. I share this GoPro with my dad. I'm not the main user of that one. I'm the main user of this one here. But anyway, I'm gonna transfer over to my phone, which actually has legit slow motion, so things will look pretty cool, I'm hoping. So awesome transition over to phone camera. Whoa, that was pretty cool. Sorry, yeah, this won't be, I mean, it's not the most high quality anyway, but this will be even lower quality. That's all right, but you will be set up right back down here. I've just got to get a few things set up. We'll be right back to the action. That was a hit. Nice. Let's go. All right. Where? Oh, that's where we hit, right there. You can see the bulge right there. That's what she said. Anyway, what? I did not say anything. That's a solid hit. All right, well, definitely didn't go through. This is a thinner can than usual. You can see it's kind of squishing there. Still didn't go through. I mean, that's the entire point. Airsoft, it hurts, but it's not supposed to injure or kill. Anyway, oh look. That's a BB right there. I don't know if that's one I shot. If so, I really missed. I wouldn't be surprised. 880 can, let's go. Daisy Powerline 880 versus Fritos can. It's already been pumped. It's got one pellet. Much easier. Ooh. That's what it looks like from the inside. I hit low, very low. We could do one more hit, but you can already see it peeled that metal right back. That definitely did a lot more damage than the Airsoft. If I hadn't hit at the bottom, there's just much more material there at the bottom to go through. I have faith they could have gone through both sides of this. I'll give it one more shot, but no doubt. Hi, Isaac. Oh, you're sniffing right by our trail camera. This is our neighbor's dog. He likes to come in our backyard every now and again. He's pretty cute though. Hey, bud. Hi. Oh, he knows I don't have anything good for him. 880 versus Fritos can, part 2. I'm gonna aim a little higher this time. Let's go check that one out. That one went flying, holy crap. All the way back here, and yeah, straight in, straight out. Made a little divot on the back wall there. Impressive. Let's move on to the brake disc. Car 98K versus the clay disc. That was a hit. Yes, 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 yeah. No. I know I hit it. I heard it. I have no idea where I hit it. That could be it. That small little dark spot right above there. I don't know. I definitely heard it. All right. I think it's time to hit it with the 880. 880 versus the clay pigeon. First time. Total annihilation. That's what remains of that. Oh, I have to stop the slowy. Speaking of slowy, why don't you take a look at that? That's mad. I love that. All right. Well, now that that is done, it's just that teeny little bit that remains. That's crazy. I must have hit it really low. That slowy probably looked really good. All right. Up next, we have baking soda in a bread bag. That is not something I thought I'd say today. Car 98K versus not baking soda, bacon soda bottle. I keep messing that up. Here we go. That was a first shot hit. Let's go check that out. No joke. This is why I'm wearing eyes now. I heard that hit and I heard it go whoosh, all the way over there somewhere. Whoa. All right. So hang on, stop the slowie. There. Right there maybe? I have no idea where we hit it. The only thing I know is, well, it didn't break. That only means one thing. 880 time. 880 versus the baking soda. I'm just doing one extra for good luck. Let me get down low. Oh, big hit. Oh, I hear fizzing. Oh, let's go. Oh, big hit. Oh, yes, sir. That is some spilled baking soda. Brought to you by Dave's Killer Bread. No, not really. That is... Okay. I've been saving it up all episode. I get one G word per episode. That was gnarly. That was very gnarly. Oh. Yup. That was smacked pretty hard. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. This has been the Car 98K. This is, again, an airsoft. It's a 1-to-1 scale model of the original Car 98K. It's real wood, real metal, heavy as can be. Not the most powerful thing in the world, as you saw, but again, that's just part of airsoft. It's not meant to be powerful. You're meant to shoot these at people as long as they're in the right gear and equipment. It's meant to sting. It's not meant to kill or like damage anyone permanently. It's not meant for anything like that. Of course, the Daisy Powerline 880, that's meant for like plinking and fun, but you can also use it for squirrel hunting and stuff like that. You've seen other videos. It has gone through plywood. It has like smashed glass, as you just saw. It's powerful. But this has been this. If I were to go up to someone and tell them which airsoft gun to play with, I would honestly, I don't think I would tell them to go get this. If you're somebody like me who likes guns, I love them, but I'm almost honestly not old enough to get one, then this is perfect. It's got everything the real thing has. If I pull that up, it's got range sights, adjustable range sights. It's got a safe. It's got an adjustable front sight. You can even tear it down. You can take the bolt out with this lever here. I'll go through a whole specs video sometime in the future, but if you're someone like me who's a gun fanatic but doesn't want to go through all the paperwork and licensing and all the responsibility of actually having a gun, then definitely consider this. It's pretty amazing. Hi, chickadee. Oh, it's so cute. Hi, bud. That's my cue to give them food. Anyway, that was very cute. But yeah, that has been the Airsoft Car 98K. I would definitely, I'll link them down in the description below. Link this exact one. And I really hope you enjoyed. And I'll catch you in the next one.